I know so many of us go don't see this post where this woman they act and wish herself RIP. The last 2 years there was a good story that taught me a good lesson. 2 days after marriage of this lady, he came to our church and was asking of prayers. On her request, she always tell us, she told us that she always see herself dying for her dreams. Even sometimes when she done alone, she felt like she already go. And all what we were doing that time, no, she already confessed her death. It takes only God's intervention. In most cases, even Bible talk and say, it is impossible to help such people. If you just see this one and commonize them, think say na minor thing na in the name of content. They are creating content for social media. They are acting. Maybe they gave her that role to play, and so on and so forth. Or you go call them Ogbanje, or you call them marine spirit. Whatever you think you call them, bad spirit. Now somebody will live with her. And some people will pay the price of what she is doing now. She might have got herself prepared. Maybe that day, he go come dey inside the car or bus where una dey. The day where she go depart, death is calling her. And then she's inside the same bus where you dey. May he not be your portion. Because this kind of people need to be recognized. Stay away from people like this. People who always commonize death, who wish themselves death. They are about to go. They can even go with anybody that is close to them that very day. So, like the woman I told you her story 2 years ago, the day she died, 4 months later, the husband died. May God save you from this kind of people. Let's see what comment section says, because some of them are making sense. This one says, this is utterly wrong. I hope she is not contemplating suicide. She needs counseling urgently. This one is more than counseling. This one is more than counseling. This one say they should follow her up immediately. This one is testing want to go. RIP. RIP sister. Me go live to see Biafra. So and this is also something. Some people will say they will live to see Biafra. Maybe if Biafra now come next month, that means you will die next month. So it's also not a good sentence. Some of us don't know how to talk. However, I know say this one say okay. This one say bye-bye. So people will not even care. But her people will see it and commonize it. Oh God, deliver her from the spirit of death. Some people already wish her go well. Some people already pray for her. May that prayer work. But I tell you, sometimes you need her to agree to your prayer. Else, it will be like say you're wasting your time. There's a lot going on. These days, people are frustrated. This one say, fatal frustration is loading her. We too they play for this country. It could be an acting. And then she's putting on a white garment scarf. Probably she's just from the church. I couldn't deal with her struggle. It's easy to see people who are really ready to leave. There was a day a lady said that Nigeria is not for her because she lives abroad. It's never over her dead body to be there. The day she landed, I don't know what happened. She landed at the airport, she collapsed. That is where she died. We must know what we are wishing to ourselves. Make we not take our hand, they carry fire, they play. May God help us. Yeah? Bye.